Welcome back. This is Bhavani Kola. I recently saw a few shows on TV where students went through incredible difficult experiences because of altered images, which we call as deepfakes or cheap fakes these days. That really made me pause and think, how can parents or educators stay aware of these technologies without fear? Watching these episodes reminded me how easy it's become to manipulate images and videos with just one click. And the truth is, many parents and teachers simply do not know that there are tools that would help them check the credibility of these images, videos responsibly and safely. So here's a resource that I wanted to share. It's hivemoderation.com. It's simply a browser. All you have to do is drag and drop your image, and it's going to let you know if this is AI generated or not. And as you can see, this image was generated by Gemini model, and it clearly tells me 99.9% this is AI generated or deepfake, and it's also giving me the name of the model. If you scroll down, it has all these different models that usually people use to create deep or cheap fakes, and there you go. I also wanted to test out a video. I recently used Sora 2 to create a cameo of Sam Altman promoting my YouTube and LinkedIn. I simply drag and drop, and I want to see what it comes up with. And there you go. It says 98% AI generated. It is using HiGen to generate this video, and the audio results are not AI generated, but the video results are AI generated. So this is 98% AI generated video. This does work. No sign in, simply drag and drop. So here you have it. It's important to remember that this is just an educational example, not a final verdict. The results simply show whether the model predicts if the image or the video is true or false. Tools like these are just meant to teach us about transparency and the evolving technology, not to accuse or label anyone. If you like to try it, I highly recommend starting with your own AI-created images or free stock images. That way you can see how the system responds to different kinds of content. It's more like a hands-on way to learn how these AI detection models work without using your personal or sensitive data. My goal isn't to scare anyone, it's to simply share awareness. Technology is moving fast. But when we learn together, we protect trust and understanding between educators, parents, and students. So if you found this useful or helpful, share it with another parent or educator or colleague or student. Until next time, happy teaching, and please take care of yourself.